Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. It was a very good consolidation market. In fact, today is one of the best day for option writers. Markets opened and it was almost flat for the whole day. There was a little bit move here and there. At the end of the day, Nifty closed slightly higher and Bank Nifty closed slightly lower. And there was no any sudden spike upside or downside. The whole day market was moving very gradually, and option writers, they made fantastic money. If you can remember, yesterday I told you the people are selling 52,500 short straddle. That has given more than 400 rupees per lot as a profit, because the Bank Nifty did not go anywhere. It closed just about 40, 50, 60 point lower. And similarly, I also told you people are selling 52,000 put option and 53,000 call option, and I said no, Bank Nifty is likely to expire between these two numbers. So those who sold 52,000 put and 53,000 call, the entire premium, so they've eaten away. So, in fact, after a long time, things are working well for option writers. Market going up or down is not a problem, but sudden movement, sudden jerk, sudden spikes, so that is where the problem comes. And today was one day where there was no such thing. Europe opened slightly lower. US features are, almost flat, and broader markets underperformed. Actually, Nifty has outperformed, and there was a mixed signal today. Reliance coming out with results on Friday, but Reliance has fallen. HDFC and Kotak Bank coming out with results on Saturday, but that also fell. But ICICI Bank not coming out with results, that has done very well. Infosys coming out with results on Thursday, but that has done reasonably well. And today, it is FMCG stocks, auto stocks and IT stocks that supported the market, while other indices were down. India VIX came down slightly lower, and that is actually good, because for the past few days, even on a rising market, VIX was moving higher. And tomorrow is a trading holiday, so therefore we will resume the trading only on Thursday, which happens to be Nifty weekly expiry. And looking at the open interest, as I told you already, Nifty is likely to continue to trade between 24,500 and 25,000, and markets are looking very bullish. Just because there is only one day for expiry, calls are written aggressively at 24,700 to 25,000. Puts are also written aggressively from 24,600 to 24,200. So this makes us to believe that the market participants are thinking markets are not going to make any bigger move on Thursday. And of course, there's a reason to believe there is nothing significant that is going to change from now to Thursday morning. FII data is still not out, but looking at the price action, looks like there is nothing negative when it comes to institutional flow. So luckily, things will go smoothly by Thursday. Then huge action will be starting from Friday, and budget will be the D-Day. So let us see where we are going to do. But today, once again, Nifty closed at fresh all-time high. And I've been telling you, I will not be surprised if Nifty touches 25,000 on or before budget day. So let us see. We have how many more? We have only 3 more trading sessions before budget. So let us see what is going to happen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.